Hi everyone, Izumi here. Today I'm going to show you how to add your medical records on Bereev. So first you want to go to categories and look for health. Let's go there. And then you will see the option to add your medical records right here. So let's click on edit and click on add. Alright, now there are two ways for you to upload your medical record. You can either start by listing down all these essential information, or you can go directly and just upload your attachment, which is your medical record. So either one of this method will work. So let's do it this way. So let's just say this is my X-ray results. Next, where am I keeping the original copy? So let's just say in my drawer. You can also specify which medical institution or hospital did you get this record from. So let's just say okay. And then as another optional information, you can include your doctor's information just in case your family wants to follow up on that particular situation. Other than that, you can actually include any important notes down here. If you don't have anything, you can just click on next. Alright, so this is a part where you can include any attachments. So if you have a digital copy of your medical record, or if you just want to take a photo of it, go ahead and add them here. So this is my X-ray results. Let me just add that. Once I'm done, I can just click on add. Alright, that's it. As you can see, the X-ray results that I just uploaded is now in the list. If you have any more medical records, you can just click on add more right here at the bottom. Or if you want to edit your previous entry, just click on it. And there's a button on top here to edit the record. Or you can even download the file right here. If you want to remove it, just click on remove right here. So that's it guys. It's super easy to upload your medical records on Bereev, and it's also very important because by keeping a full medical history of yourself, in future when your kids go to their doctors for their annual visit, they will know what to look out for, and because they understand their family medical history, and you might potentially save your child's life down the road. So that's it from me today guys. I'll be back again soon with another easy tutorial on how to use Bereev. Bye bye.